Do you find yourself putting spicy condiments every time you have fried rice? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make this. Spicy fried rice using gochujang, Korean red pepper paste. It is loaded with so many yummy flavors and it's spicy but not too spicy, so it's perfect. And unlike Chinese fried rice, which I love by the way, Korean fried rice uses less oil, but it's loaded with so many flavors. It literally is the bomb. You're gonna love it. 오늘의 레시피, 매콤한 고추장 볶음밥 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. If there was a fried rice dance, this is it. So good. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. To make our special gochujang sauce for our fried rice, we need 1 tablespoon of gochujang, that's Korean red pepper paste. And to this, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, I have half teaspoon of brown sugar. This is optional, but if you want your fried rice to taste really yummy, add half a teaspoon of beef Dashida, that's 소고기 Dashida. Vegan friends use yandu instead. And then we're just gonna mix this up so that it looks like this. Oh, it's already starting to smell spicy in here. And we need the following ingredients for our fried rice. 1/3 cup of carrots minced, 1/4 of a medium-sized onion chopped up. We need 1 scallion chopped up. We need about 1 cup of chopped up cabbage. And for our protein, I'm going to use 1 chicken apple sausage and make sure to chop it into small pieces. Now you can use hot dogs, you could also use deli cut meats. Vegan friends, smoked tofu cubes would be really nice. We also have 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon of butter and about half a teaspoon of gochugaru. This is optional, but to make it extra spicy, this is really nice. And we have 3 cups of cooked Korean rice. You can use day-old rice, you can use freshly made rice, all will work fine for this recipe. Now make sure to have all the ingredients all prepped and ready to go because the actual fried rice making part will only take minutes. Set your heat to high, place your large frying pan and let it preheat for about a good minute or 2. Now once your frying pan is preheated, I want you to add about half a tablespoon of oil. With your heat remaining high, we're going to start with the eggs first. Then we're going to add a big pinch of salt to our eggs, like that. And then move your pan around so the oil, it does exactly that. Surround the egg and start frying. And then quickly, we're gonna kind of break up the eggs. But notice how there's brown marks around the edge. We want that. Just break it up and then go in under, flip it over. Now, our eggs at this point do not need to be pretty. We just want that crusty fried egg. And this is almost done. We don't need to even cook it all the way. So we're gonna turn our heat off. And we're gonna put our fried eggs on a plate like so, and then put it aside. And then I want you to turn the heat back up to high again. Then quickly, we're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of oil, like so. And we're gonna add our onions, our carrots, our chicken apple sausage. We're gonna add a little bit of black pepper, about a small pinch. Now your heat is remaining high. And then I just wanna distribute the onions around the frying pan, and then we're gonna add 1 pinch of salt. And then I just want you to move it around, and we're gonna saute this on high heat for 1 minute. A minute later, we're gonna push our ingredients to side, like that. And then we're gonna add some oil. About a tablespoon of your favorite oil. And then we're gonna add our cooked Korean rice. And then quickly, I just want you to break up the rice like that, flatten it gently like so, and let it hang out. And we're gonna add 1 more pinch of salt to our rice. We're gonna season it. And I want you to let this hang out for about a good minute on high heat. And then a minute later, let's take a quick peek. We just want to lightly brown our rice like that, just like that. And then go in and mix everything up. And you break up any clusters of rice. I want you to lower your heat to medium. And then I want you to take your frying pan and rest the handle on a mug like that, so that the tip of the frying pan is right above the fire, like that. And then I want you to quickly push the rice to one side, creating some room right here. And then I want you to add that 1 tablespoon of butter. And as soon as the butter is almost melted like that, we're gonna add our gochujang sauce that we made earlier. And I'm gonna save about that much to drizzle over our rice later. And then I just want you to mix up the butter with our gochujang sauce that we made, like that. This is gonna go really fast. So as soon as you're done mixing it, and again, our heat is at medium, then we're gonna push the rice over and just mix up everything. Make sure the rice picks up all of our sauce, like that. And then put the frying pan flat, now back on the stove. Oh, it smells so good. And then I want you to turn down your heat to low. And then we're gonna add our cabbage and scallions and just mix this up. So the reason why we're adding the cabbage at the end is because we don't want to really cook out our cabbage. We just wanna lightly just sweat it a little bit. If you overcook your cabbage, it doesn't taste sweet. It tastes kind of gross. And I want you to stir fry this on low heat for about a good minute, like so. And about a minute later, you may think that, oh, this cabbage still looks a little too crunchy and raw. Actually, this is exactly when we want to stop cooking it, okay? Because it's going to still continue cooking as we plate our fried rice. And then quickly, we're gonna add our eggs that we fried earlier. And I just want you to just chop it up roughly like so. And we're gonna add our egg. And here's the gochugaru. So this is about 1/2 tablespoon, but let's start with half. You know, we could always add more, right? And just sprinkle it on top. And then we're gonna quickly mix this up. And this is done. And then we're gonna turn off our heat completely. And let's have a quick taste test just to make sure it's salty enough for you the way you like it. It's hot, steaming hot. Ooh, it has a kick. This is why it's important to taste as you cook. For some of you, this may be perfect amount of saltiness, but when it comes to fried rice, or at least Korean fried rice, I like it a little bit on the saltier side. So I'm gonna add a pinch of salt and just mix it all up and eat it. Obviously, you're a fan of fried rice, so you're gonna wanna check out my extra special kimchi fried rice. This kimchi fried rice is surrounded by soft, fluffy eggs with cheese and corn. You're gonna wanna eat that. And also check out my mandu fried rice, that's dumpling fried rice. Such a great combination that you probably never tried. So the video links will be in the description box below. And here's the gochujang sauce that we saved earlier. Just drizzle it like so. And I'm gonna dust it a little bit more with our gochugaru on top. Okay, a spoonful of our gochujang fried rice. Time to eat! I was like starting to sweat from that first taste test that we just had, but we made it extra spicy because we added the rest of the gochujang sauce. All right, bon appetit, everyone. I don't know if you could hear from the mic, but the cabbage is crunchy still. And it's juicy. I'm like drooling in my own mouth right, even though I'm eating this. It's so darn delicious. I feel the sweat coming a little bit because it is spicy. This spicy level with the fried rice together, and it's not really heavily fried in oil like I said earlier. Oh, 참 맛있어요, 여러분. What else do you need other than a piece of kimchi with our gochujang fried rice? What I like to do is I like to take my kimchi and then you do a kimchi wrap like this. And you have to be kind of good with chopsticks, but if you're not, just use a spoon. Who cares, right? Bon appetit again. If there was a fried rice dance, this is it. I hope you try this at home with your friends and family because This is better than takeout fried rice, in my opinion. So good. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on that thumbs up icon and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that we can make more Korean food together. And always go to youtube.com/modernpepper and check out my library of Korean recipes. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아요 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 감사합니다. 다음 비디오에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.